This is Horton. Horton is a trumpeter hornbill. This is Horton as a chick. Some chicks hatch later than others. The last chick to hatch can't keep up with its older siblings and usually doesn't survive. Luckily for Horton, he was hatched at a zoo and was raised by a zookeeper. Unfortunately, because of his rough start in life, Horton had a broken wing that had healed incorrectly. He would never be able to fly. As Horton grew older, his wing made him feel wobbly, so instead of perching with his feet, he sat on his legs. His zookeeper made him special boots to protect his legs and let him hop all around. Once Horton was healthy, the zoo met to discuss his future. It was decided that Horton's best life would be at home with the zookeeper who raised him. It's an unusual decision that shows how dedicated the zoo is to making sure all their animals have amazing welfare. Now, Horton and his zookeeper are inseparable. They even wrote a book about their life together. You can learn more about Horton at hortonhornbill.com. You can follow him on social media at Horton Hornbill.